Cutting a neon strip is like opening a mystery box. It either lights up or dark. Neon strip 2.0, 1 LED per segment. You can cut anywhere you want. This new neon strip is super flexible, 1 LED per cut. Allowing for precise cutting based on actual needs, and offering greater customization and flexibility, no waste. Applied to irregular or detailed installation, like furniture, signs, or curved designs. Easy to install, saves time and money. Here are 4 switch modes for selection. Four switch modes that can be customized as needed.